Morning students, I am Nagaraju Maths faculty Target High School, Patladpatri. Right students, yesterday we started 7th chapter, frequency distribution tables and graphs. Okay sir, this chapter totally one of the branch that is statistics students. In video also we can give the name statistics. Today we discuss about statistics part 2, means statistics means 7th chapter students. Right. Okay, comes to yesterday we discussed one of the measure of central tendency. So once I repeat just within minutes students, measure of central tendency is a measure that will tell us where the middle of a bunch of a data lies. That means, right, the measure of central tendency are 5 types generally, but we are discussing here 3 types only. Right, generally first one, arithmetic mean or average. It is denoted by X bar. Next, second one, median or 50th percentile. It is denoted by M. And third one, mode is denoted by Z. Let us discuss about first measure, that is arithmetic mean or average. How to define? Observe the definition once. The ratio of sum of observations to number of observations. Okay students, then arithmetic mean equal to simply summation xi by n. Here I equal to where I equal to 1 to n students, right? And also second formula, if x1 x2 up to xn are n observations corresponding to the frequencies are f1 f2 up to fn, then arithmetic mean equal to summation fi xi by summation fi where I equal to 1 to n. And third one, correct mean equal to wrong mean plus of correct item minus wrong item by n. We discussed yesterday this formula students. Regarding this we discuss three problems. Now continue the problem students. Today observe the problem all of you. First analyze it. Find the mean of the data 10.25, 9, 4.75, 8, 2.65, 12 and 2.35. 2.35. So here, these are the observations or items. Okay students, observe. Solution given data. Solution given data. Data is, right. So that is 10.25, again 9, 4.75, 8, next 2.65, and again 12, next 2.35. 2.35. Let us go for the formula. Then arithmetic mean simply written as AM. AM equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations, which implies then so 10.25 plus 9 plus 4.75 plus and again 8 plus 2.65 plus 12 plus 2.35 divided by how many items are there? Observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of observations equal to 7. Then that implies, observe the summation value students. Summation, do refer the side. Better to, if it is space is there right side, that is the way of process, correct way of students. But here not space is there. We are doing left side student. So 10.25, 9. This is the way. Next 4.75. Next 8. Next one 2.65. 12. Next 2.35, 20, 5, 11, 18, 20, 6, 8, 16, 20, 29, 3, 4, 49 students. So it becomes 49 by 7. 49 by 7. Straight up 7 ones, 7 sevens. Right. This is the arithmetic mean of given data. Okay students, is it clear all of it? Right. Go for next problem. Right. Observe. Mean of 8 observations is 25. If one observation is excluded, means removing. Find the mean of the remaining observation, students. Right. Observe the solution carefully. Yes. Mean of 8 observations. Mean of 8 observations. So mean of 8 observations equal to 25. Equal to 25. So mean formula, sum of 8 observations by number of 8 observations means 8 students. Okay. Then we are taken directly sum of 8 observations equal to 25 into 10, 8. So observe carefully here. Sum of 8 observations. Sum of 8 observations equal to, so 25 into 8. This value transferred outside. You can get the formula as this same. Sum of 8 observations by 8 equal to 25. Then we are taken directly here. Sum of 8 observations equal to 25 into 8. So then that implies 200. 200. Okay. Here, according to the problem, if one observation 11 is excluded. One observation 11 is excluded. Right? So write down here, students. If one observation 11 is excluded means removing. Okay. Next, remaining students. Therefore, sum of, in the total 8 observations is there. Here one observation is excluded means what about remaining observations? 7 observations. Is it clear, all of you? Right. So next one, sum of remaining 7 observations equal to, right, 8 observation value is 200. In that one observation is 11. So subtract both values, students. Then that implies 200 minus 11. 200 minus 11. 200 minus 11. How much value? How much subtraction value or difference value? That is, yes, 189. So here 189. Okay, right. Go for mean of remaining observations. So mean of the remaining observations. Mean of the remaining observations equal to, yes, we know that sum of 7 observations by 7. Here how much value sum of 7 observations? 189. Okay, right. So here 189 by 7. Strike it off with 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 7 is 49. 7 2 is 14. 7 7 is 49. This is the mean of the remaining 7 observations, students. Okay, this is the way of process. First analyze the problem carefully. What they given, what we find, observe. This is the way of approachment, student. This is also very, very important model in 10th class standard also, students. Okay, right. Go for next third problem. Right. Observe, students. AM of 9 observations is calculated as 38, but in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 72. Find the actual mean of the data. Actual mean of the data. Right. So observe, students, here. Solution given. Okay. How many observations are there? 9 observations. First of all, we are taking here number of observations. In the bracket we have taken small n equal to 9. Next, AM. This AM we consider as wrong AM. Okay. How much AM value? 38. So wrong AM equal to, wrong arithmetic mean. Wrong AM equal to how much value? 38, students. Next aside, here in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 72. In that, which is the correct item? Okay, which is the correct item? Identify them. So here, correct item is 27. Okay. Next, wrong item equal to 7. Isn't it? Right. Observe, students. correct item, you are taken CA, correct item equal to 27. Next one, wrong item, WI, wrong item equal to 72. Wrong item equal to 72. Therefore, we find the actual mean or correct mean, whatever it may be, student. So write in the formula, therefore, actual mean equal to, yes, wrong mean plus of correct item minus wrong item by n. Correct item minus wrong item by n. Substitute the values, which implies wrong mean value 38 plus of correct item 27, wrong item 72, number of observations equal to 9. Okay, so then that implies 38 plus of, okay, here 27 minus 72. So here minus value is greater, here it is. So we can get minus also here. Then, so it is 45, I thought. This difference value 45 by 9 students. So 9 ones, 9 fives. Finally, 38 minus 5. 38 minus 5. So which implies 33 is the solution. 33 is the solution. This is the way of approximate, student. This is also important model in 10th standard. Yes, observe fourth one, students. If 6, 4, 8, 3 are frequencies and 4, 2, 5, 1 are observations, then find arithmetic mean. Here observations along with frequencies both given, students. Then apply the formula carefully. Right. Observe here. Solution given, data also taken off out. Solution given, data. Okay. Right. Frequencies are, okay, so frequencies are 6, 4, 8, 3 students. 6, 4, 8, 3, and observations are right. How much? 4, 2, 5, 1. This is the values. Then we go for arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean x bar equal to, right, formula is summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi by summation fi, where I equal to 1 to n items. But here, according to the problem, just 4 frequencies, 4 observations are there. So I replace, we are taken just 4 value, students. So then that implies, okay, first f1 x1 or fi xi by summation fi also we can express that or simply, so f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus here given just 4 students, f4 x4 by f1 plus f2 up to 4, that is f4 students. Here 4 items taken, that's why I take here 4 only, right? Apply the values which imply this is f1, f2, f3 and also f4. Next x1, x2, x3 and also x4 students. Then substitute the values. 6 of 4 plus f2 value. So 4 of 2 plus next one 8 of 5 plus and 3 of 1. 3 of 1 by next one 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3, which implies, right, adjustment 6 4 ja 24 plus 4 2 ja 8 plus 8 5 ja 40 plus 3 1 is 3 by how much value observe? 10, 18, 21. So finally it becomes, so 24 plus 8 32, 72, 75. 75 by 21. 75 by 21. Take the division process, students. 21, 75. Okay. 21, 3 ja. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So it becomes 12. Right? Put a point, then we have taken 5 students. Then go for 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So it becomes 150. And again, take 7 times possible or okay, 7 times possible. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Finally, you can get 3. So then take two places of decimal values, that is 3.57. 3.57. That is the arithmetic mean of given data, students. This is the solution for this model. Next, we go for another model, students. Right. 5 years ago, mean age of a family was 25 years. What is the present mean age of the family? Ago 5 years ago, students. So just within minutes we complete this problem. Solution given. Right. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Mean age of a family. Mean age of a family. Mean age of a family equal to 25 years. 25 years. Is it clear? Right. Now present. So present mean age of a family. Present mean age of a family. Present mean age of a family. So 5 years ago. Then present mean age means add the 5 values. So then that implies 25 plus 5. So it becomes 30 years. 30 years. That is the solution for given problem, students. Then we go for next another model, students. Right. Observe, students, another model. 2 years ago, the mean age of 40 people was 11 years. Now a person left the group. One person left the group. Right. And the mean age is changed to 12 years. Find the age of the person who left the group. Find the age of the person who left the group. Observe the solution, students, all of you. Solution given. So what they given? Observe. How many people are there? 40 people. The mean age. So when it is mean age, that is 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Right, students. So here, 2 years ago. Years ago, mean age of 40 people. Mean age of 40 people. Mean age of 40 people equal to, yes, 11 years. 11 years. Okay, students. Next one. So present. Present mean age of. Present mean age of 40 people. 40 people equal. Present mean age of 40 people equal. 2 years ago, students, this is 11 value. So present means add the 2. That is 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2, it becomes 13 years. 13 years. Right? So 2 years ago value is given. Then we find present mean age value, students. Yes, mean equal to formula, you know that. That is sum of observations by number of observations. Here, how many people are there? Number means it is 40. So then we have taken sum of 40 people is directly, students. There. Therefore, sum of ages of 40 people. Sum of ages of 40 people equal to 13 into 40. 13 into 40. Okay, students. So sum of ages of 40 people equal to 13 into 40. 13 4 ja 52. So 520, which is equation number 1. Which is equation number 1. Right. Next, student. One person left the group. Right. So one person left the group. One person left the group. Right. After left the group, what about the mean age of the students? Then mean age. So mean age of how many people? One person left means automatically 39 people is there. Then that implies. Therefore, mean age of remaining 39 people. Remaining 39 people. Remain 39 people equal to 12 years given, students. 12 years. Right, okay? So then we find age of the person who left the group. Okay, selecting the problem, students, all of you. Right. Next one. Sum of ages of 39 people. Sum of ages of 39 people equal to, right, 12 into 39. 12 into 39. It becomes, okay, we are taken care only. Yes, 12 9s are 108. Okay, 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 10, 468 students. Which is equation number 2. Okay. Next we find the age of a person who left the group. Okay. So therefore, age of a person who left the group. Age of a person who left the group. Age of a person who left the group equal. So first equation 520, second equation 468 students. So 520 minus 468. Or we can take here only, then the reply. 520 minus 468. Here we are taken better. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So then that implies of the students. So 10 minus 8, 2. Next 11 minus 6, 5. 52 years. 52 years. This is the solution for sixth problem, students. Then we go for another and last model, students. Right. Next method also, students. It is also very, very important. So arithmetic mean of deviation method. Arithmetic mean of deviation method. So arithmetic mean of deviation method. Right. Subject this formula. Arithmetic mean equal to estimated mean surplus of sum of deviations by and again number of deviations or in other words, students, or estimated mean plus of sum of deviations by number of deviations means nothing but average of deviations. Then here, students, average of deviations. Okay, students. Then simply we written as in formula wise. Then the implies estimated mean we have taken A plus of, yes, average of the sum of deviations means we have taken summation xi minus A. Summation xi minus A by n. Arithmetic mean is denoted by the letter is x bar. This is the final formula, students. Okay, so observe once I repeat. Arithmetic mean of deviation method, and again arithmetic mean estimate equal to estimated mean plus of sum of deviations by number of deviations, or next estimated mean plus of this totally written as average of deviations. Okay, right. In formula wise, x bar equal to A plus of summation xi minus A by n. Yes, then we are discussing some related problems, students. Yes. Observe the problem carefully, students. Find the arithmetic mean of 10 observations. 14, 36, 25, 28, 35, 32, 56, 42, 50 and 60 by assuming mean as 14. Find the mean by using deviation method, students. So observe the solution given. Then we are finding table, students, simply is there. So first of all, items. Items nothing but observation, students. Item that we consider as xi. Okay. So first of all here, estimated mean or assuming mean, both are same, students. So here, assuming mean. Assuming mean, let me consider capital A equal to 14 given, students already. Next, items xi. Next, deviations. Deviations means xi minus a. Xi minus a. Now observe, students all. Xi minus a. Okay. Right. Downside. Summation value. Sum of deviations. Or we have taken simply. Okay. Items. Which are the items? So 14, next 36, 25, 28, 35, 32, 56, 42, and 50, finally 62, students. Next, xi minus a. Already a value is 14 given. So here 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14 becomes 0. Okay, right. Next one. Next, xi. Xi means these values. A means that value, that is 14. So here 36 minus 14. It becomes 36 minus 14 becomes 22. 22. Next one. So 25 minus 14, it becomes 11. 28 minus 14, it becomes 14. Next, 35 minus 14, it becomes 21. And here 32 minus 14, it becomes right 12, 18. Next one, 56 minus 14, so it becomes 42. Right? Next, 42. 42 minus 14, it becomes right 30. So 28. Next, 50 minus 14, it becomes 36. Next one, 62 minus 14 equal to 50, 48. First, framing a table, students, like this. Okay, next one. Therefore, from the table, sum of deviations. Sum of deviation, that is summation xi minus a. Summation xi minus a. Summation value, observe students here. So 0 plus 22 plus 11 plus 14 plus 21 plus 18 plus 42 plus 28 plus 36 plus 48. It becomes how much value of the students? Right. 22 plus 11, 33, 47, 68, 76, 86, 86, 88, 88 plus 40, 128, 128. Next, 28 plus 36, that is 64, 64 plus 8, 72, 72 plus 4, 112. So 10, 4, 240. It becomes 240. Okay, right. So then that implies arithmetic mean. Observe the formula, students. Arithmetic mean equal to estimated mean a plus r summation xi minus a by n. So it becomes a value 14 plus of summation xi minus a 240 by n value 10 observations. Okay, students, 0 get cancelled. 14 plus 24, it becomes 38 is the arithmetic mean. 38 is the arithmetic mean. This is also very important model, students. Observe carefully and practice carefully, students. Right, students. So very important problems in 4 marks of 8th class, students. So observe here what they given. Observe AM means arithmetic mean. AM of marks, how many marks out of 25 scored by 10 students was 15. One of the student named Karisma inquired the other 9 students and find the deviations. Here deviations are given, students. Deviations from her marks are deviations of from her marks are as -8, -6, -3, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6. Find the Karisma's marks, students. So here observe the solution. It is important problem. Solution given. Right, what they given, observe. Arithmetic mean of AM of marks of 10 students. Marks of 10 students. How much given? 15. How much value, students? 15. Right. Next one. We find the Karisma's marks, students. So let me consider. Let Karisma's marks be equal to X taken. Karisma's marks be X. And also deviations. So deviations of marks. How many deviations are there? 9 students deviations only. So deviations of 9 marks from her marks. Okay. Deviations of marks. Deviations of 9 students marks. 9 students marks equal to, right, which are -8, -6, -3, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. 9 deviations only. We find the 10th deviation, students. So 10th deviation equal to. Here, what they given, observe, students. Find the deviations from her marks are noted. So from her marks noted means this is estimated mean equal to how much? X value. Estimated mean is X. These are without Karisma. These are the deviation values, students. Then the deviation equal to. What is the estimated mean? Estimated mean also Karisma's marks. Xi. So first Karisma's marks is X and deviation is also consider X. X minus X equal to 0. Okay, understood, students? So find the deviation from her marks. So that means estimated mean equal to Karisma's marks, students. In that deviation values are 9 given. Then the deviation equal to X minus X equal to 0. Right? Then go for the arithmetic mean. Okay, shall I clear the problem, students? So what about the formula, observe? Arithmetic mean equal to A plus of summation xi minus A by summation xi minus A by n means number of deviation. By using this formula, how much given? Arithmetic mean of 10 students equal to 15. 15 equal to, and also estimated mean considered as Karisma's marks. So here x plus of next sum of deviations. So this is 9 deviation along with 10th deviation. Take the deviations. So here -8, -6, -3, next -1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10th deviation is 0. 10th deviation is 0. Then number of deviations equal to 10. Number of deviations equal to 10 students. Right? Which imply 15 equal to x plus of first negative value is taken minus 8, minus 6, minus 14, minus 17, minus 18. Minus 18 plus positive values 5, 9, 15. 15 by 10. So 15 equal to x. So here minus 18 plus 15 nothing but 3. So minus 3 by 10. Minus 3 by 10. So this minus value transfer left side becomes plus. Then x equal to 15. So minus value transfer left side becomes plus. 3 by 10 nothing but 0.3. 0.3. Right. Then that is plus. What about summation value finally? 15.3. 15.3. Therefore, Charisma's marks equal to 15.3. This is the result for this problem, students. Okay. So remaining we discuss next video, students.